Hi guys, today in the Linux part 3 we will learn about SED command and IO redirection actually. So first we will learn about SED command. SED stands for stream editor actually. We can replace one word with another word using SED command without opening the file. So here using the SED command without opening the file you can replace the word actually. See here the example SED single quote S AWS Azure durga.txt. So let me check whether the file is there or not first. Vi let me clear the script. Vi durga.txt. So the durga.txt file I am creating. I know file is not there. Okay, here I will create like wait zyx zyx and cba and some junk characters here we will keep in the last line. I'll keep something like this. Okay, and now I'm saving this file. We will use this durga.txt for our example. So here the example is we have to replace the SED. I have file with wait I'm adding one more word here, AWS. Okay, in our example there is a word called AWS. We will replace using SED command without opening the file. Right now I saved the file and right now we will use this command, SED command. The command is SED single quote S slash AWS slash Azure. Okay, then the file name is durga.txt. Okay, let us execute this command. Okay, see what is the command. Yes, correct, right? Now you enter it. Let's see the sorry. We have to close this single code actually. That's what. Okay, enter it. See, actually in the original file we have word like as AWS actually. See, AWS is there, but by using this command what we can do, we can replace that particular word with the Azure actually. See here, do I replace it with AWS with Azure? That is the thing, the command here, SED-S, and the word actually in the file we have AWS, but it was replaced with Azure. See the output here is showing Azure. Okay, next one. Next one is like, by default SED command will not make changes to the original file. See, it will not make changes to the original file. It just prints output on the terminal. Same thing happened to us here. So here what happened? It has not changed the changed in the original file. It was just showing the output here. Azure. It was changed to from AWS to it was changed to Azure. Okay. Next one. We need to right now I want to delete right now. See here. I once we go to the original file, see in the last line we have some junk characters. So I want to remove that one actually. Escape colon W. See, right now I want to remove the last some junk characters are there. Hash is showing in the junk characters are there. I want to remove this one. The command is SED $D. The file name is durga.txt. Now check it. See, it was removed. See, actually it was hash is showing in the previous command. Right now the last line in the last line as is showing. Right now I use this command, so it will remove the last line in the file. So after remove the last line, this is the last line. Actually was last line is hash hash. Now after executing this command, the last line became to this number. Okay. Next one. Suppose I want to remove this 1 2 3 4. 4 is the C character. Actually I want to remove this fourth line. How to remove that one? Same thing, I have to use like, instead of dollar I use 4. Okay, SED 4D durga.txt. Now I will run this command, see what will happen. See, this C is not showing here right now. See, so the command is SED 4D means fourth line in the file durga.txt. Okay, next one. Right now, next one, in the next command, what I want to do is from x2, this is the last line. I want to remove from x2 this one. So x is in the third line. So we have to give the command like 3, x is in the third line. So I will give 3 and $d, 3 comma $d. Now you enter it. See, after it was removed from x, b, a, aws, this number is not there right now. See, it was removed, only zy is showing in the output. So this is the SED command. So you can replace one word with another word, and we can use the SED command like this actually. So next one is like, I'm clearing the screen. Next one is IO redirection. IO redirection we will learn right now. In IO redirection we have like, first one is like input redirection. Input redirection. Here see input data. Okay, what it's saying, it is taking the file, one file is there, input data.txt, and it is sorting that file actually. So the command, it will take the file and it will sort that file. So we will execute this command. How it work? First I will take one data, input data.txt. I will create one file, input data.txt. Okay, here this is the file I am creating, and I am giving in the descending order right now. The file contains right now I'm entering that characters in reverse of yeah, actually I have to enter ABCD in the ascending order. Right now I am giving in the opposite, like in descending order I am giving from Z, Y, X and C, B, A. In the descending order I am giving in this file. It should sort the file actually. Okay, now I have created one file and have given some data. Right now we have to execute the command. It is for IO input redirection, means this is the symbol for input redirection. So what is sort, input redirection I am giving, and our file like just now we created in the descending order. So it should sort the file in the alphabetical order in the ascending order. Okay, enter. See here, we given in the descending order. Right now it had taken the input data and sort the file and given the output in the ascending order. This is input redirection. Next one, this command takes the contents of the input data.txt as input and sorts them alphabetically. Okay, next one is output redirection. See here, let's read the statement. This command lists files in the current directory and writes the output to a file named output redirect.txt. Okay, it will take the input, it will take the first ls command will execute, and that output will be stored into the output reader.txt. How it will work, we will check right now. Okay, take this command, copy this command. Okay, just I'm executing this command right now, ls command. Okay, see the command is executed. What happened? The file will create here, ls-l. Where is the output? This is the output related. This one. This is the file created just now. So cat output reader.txt. Okay. See, these are the list of files. It was saved into this one. So what happened here? This command lists the files in the current directory and writes the output to a file named output reader.txt. That it happened actually. Next one is input output redirection. Let's see what will happen here. Here what is taking, it is taking the input.txt one file and it will sort the file and it will store that file into output.txt. Okay, let me I am creating one file input.txt. Okay, I am entering the data like CBA. This is the file. I enter some data like CBA in descending order. Okay, it should sort it into ABC and it will store the file into the output.txt. Okay, colon escape colon w2 save and good. Right now our file is ready. We have to execute the command right now. So sort, what is the command? Sort input.txt. Okay, this is the input it's taking and it will sort here, then it will store into output.txt. The command is output.txt. Okay, output 1.txt. take it, output 1.txt, because here already file is there, that's what. So I am taking output 1.txt. Let's check it what happened. To see the contents of the output 1.txt, we have to enter cat output 1.txt. See, we have given CBA and we created one file input.txt. After sorting the file, the output displayed here is ABC in the ascending order. This is what like input output redirection. This is called input output redirection. Okay, next one we see pipe command. What is pipe command here? This command lists all files in the current directory and filters the output to only show the files with .txt in their names. So first what it will do, it will execute this command. It will display all the files and directories, but here grep means it will grep for only .txt files only it will display. So this output will be the input to this command and it will display only .txt files only. That is the main motto here. Okay, right now execute this command ls grep star.txt. See here, every file ending with star.txt only here. If you find means actually this command it will execute first actually ls-l. Okay, but it contains all the files like any file. See here, directory is also there, project. This is the directory actually. This is the .txt file. This is also directory. Blue color all are directories. But what it is giving? This is giving the output to the next command. Grep. What grep is doing? Grep star.txt is doing star.txt. something went wrong with IQN star, sorry. This is the command actually. See, all the .txt files are displaying. That is about pipe command. So pipe means it will join two commands. Okay, this command output will be the input to this command, and we are fetching this .txt files here. It is displaying all the .txt files here. Okay, next one, standard error. Standard error means what we will see here. Suppose standard error means actually I am entering the right now I am entering the command correctly. See cal 2023. I want to see the calendar of the 2023. It is displaying, right? Suppose if I enter the calendar command wrongly, instead of 1L and I enter double L, and I am doing 2023. So it is giving error, bash command not found. I don't want to see this command on the terminal. I don't want to see. I want to store these error messages on the error file actually. So what we will do now, call call 2023. For this the command is we have to give 2 and greater than symbol we have to give. It will redirect the output, this output to it will redirect this error output to one file. I'll create one file like errors. Errors. Okay, enter. So this right now, see this after entering this command, this error message is right now not showing on the terminal, because I have given the command to display this. I told to display these particular errors in this file. Let us check this errors dot errors now, right, cat errors. See, same command here, it is storing in the this particular error is storing in the errors file and displaying here. See, that is about standard errors. Okay.